Hi, my name is Jordan Hetrick. I'm going to show you how to insert and format a microSD memory card into your GoPro camera. So I have a GoPro Hero 10 Black here, and I'm going to show you how to get your memory card in there so you can get out there and start recording photos and videos with it. The first thing you need to do is just open up this side door, because that's where the slot is for the microSD card. You just pull down on this little tab and lift the door up, and it'll open up like that. Now you can see, even though my camera is still mounted here, I was able to open up that side door. I was out filming some water shots this morning. I had my camera mounted on the GoPro handler, so I still have my camera mounted to this mounting buckle. But just a little tip for you, if you mount your camera with the thumb screw on the opposite side of the door, you can still access this door even when your camera is mounted. Okay, let's get that memory card in here. So once you open up this door here, you'll see this little slot right there next to where the battery goes, and that's the microSD card slot. Now you can put the microSD card in when the battery's in there, but it's a lot easier to just pull the battery out, put the microSD card in when there's no battery. So then you just put in that little slot, and make sure the text, which is on the front of the microSD card, is facing the back screen of the camera, because that's the way that it goes in. And you put it in just like that, and push it down. Now you'll see it's still sticking out a little. If you push it all the way down in, it'll kind of snap into place. You'll hear a little click even. And then your microSD card's fully in the camera. And then you can just put the battery back in. The GoPro logo faces the front of the camera on the battery. Put it back in and everything's in there. Then once you have that memory card in there, you just want to make sure you shut the door completely so that no water gets in your camera. So just make sure it clicks, snaps into place, and this door is shut completely with no red showing there. That's where some water could get into your camera if that door was left open. Now your camera has to have a microSD card in there. There's no internal storage in a GoPro camera, so you want to make sure that you get a microSD card like the ones pictured here that's compatible with your camera, just so it doesn't cause any recording issues. A lot of times when you buy your GoPro, it'll come with a 32 gigabyte card, but it can go up to 512 gigabytes, and your camera can still handle that. The amount of storage you need really depends on what you're going to be shooting. If you're taking a lot of photos, even if you're taking raw photos, it doesn't really take that much storage. But if you're recording long videos, especially in 4K or 5K, you're going to want to go with a higher storage card, probably like 256 gigabytes or up to 512 gigabytes. That'll just allow you to record more videos before you have to offload your footage. That's how you insert the memory card. Next, I want to show you how to format the memory card. But before we do that, for all you newbies who haven't seen my Getting Started video yet, I definitely recommend you check that out after you watch this one. It'll give you a great start, and there's a lot of pretty GoPro clips in there just to enjoy. I'll have a link for that in the description below. Of course, if you want to get straight to the best source and have all you need to know about how to use your GoPro, grab a copy of my book on Amazon. I think it's under $30 and it's helped so many beginners. So go check it out. I really think it will help you. Now let's get that memory card formatted. Formatting your memory card basically means erasing all of the old photos and videos that are on there to make room for new ones. Now it's really important to know what you're doing and make sure you have those files transferred over to a phone, tablet, or a computer so you have them somewhere safe before you go ahead and erase this memory card. You don't want to lose your valuable photos and videos. They contain some of those great memories. And people ask me all the time, how can I get back those photos or videos that I accidentally formatted? And the simple answer is you can't. So just make sure before you format that memory card, you have those photos and videos backed up. If you need help transferring your photos and videos, in that Getting Started video that I talked about earlier, there's a great section in there on transferring your footage. So you can go check that out after you watch this video. Now let me show you how to do it once you're ready to actually format that memory card. So first, just make sure your camera is turned on, so press the side power mode button here to turn your camera on. Once your camera is powered on, just go to the back screen and swipe down from the top of the screen. My screen's locked, so I'm just going to unlock it. And then swipe down again from the top of the screen, you'll see the dashboard. Scroll over to the next screen where you see the preferences. And when you tap on that, you're just going to want to go down to the bottom here where you see reset and tap on that. And then the top option is Format SD card. So when you're ready to erase that SD card, go ahead and tap on the Format SD card. It's going to make sure you want to do it. And then just tap Format, and it's going to go ahead and erase all those files and give you a fresh card to start with. So I'm going to tap Format. It's going to go ahead and start erasing all those files. Once it's done formatting, it's just going to go back to the reset screen. You can just press the side power mode button to escape back out to recording mode, and you're ready to go record some photos and videos. Once again, Jordan Hetrick here. Really appreciate you guys.